What if you could earn consistent cash flow every month without tenants, without fixing things, and without checking your phone every 5 minutes hoping your renter have paid? That's what real estate note investing does. And today, I'm breaking it all down, step by step, so you'll understand what it is, how it works, and what the returns look like, and how to start safely. By the end, you'll see what I say. Stop trying to be the landlord. Start acting like the bank. And stick around, because I'll share a real story of one of my first notes that paid me every month for over a year, while I was literally on vacation. Let's start with something simple. A note is just a fancy word for a loan. It's the piece of paper that says, I promise to pay you back. When someone buys a house, they sign two documents. The mortgage, which connects the property to the debt, and the promissory note, which is the IOU, the promise to repay. Now here's the twist most people never hear about. You can buy that IOU. When you invest in a note, you're really not buying the house. You're buying the debt on the house. That means you now become the lender. The borrower now pays you every month. I like to say, you're not collecting rent, you're collecting respect. Because when someone owes the bank money, they pay. They don't call you about a leaky faucet. And because the loan is backed by the real estate, if the borrower ever stops paying, the property itself is your collateral. You hold the paper and the power. So you might ask, why would anyone sell these notes? It's actually pretty simple. Imagine you loan somebody 100,000 at 8% interest for 30 years. That's great income. But maybe you need that money now to buy another property, invest elsewhere, or just free up cash. So you sell that note to another investor, maybe for 90,000, and you move on. Banks do this every single day. It's how the mortgage industry works behind the scenes. And as investors, we get to step in and buy these notes, often at a discount. So the cash flow comes to us instead of the bank. I like to think of it as buying time freedom in advance. You pay once, and the payments come to you for years to go. All right, let's talk numbers. There are two main ways you make money with notes. The first is interest payments. This is the predictable cash flow. Every month the borrower sends their payment, and you collect interest on that loan. It's not volatile like the stock market, it's steady, boring, and reliable. If you got a 50,000 note at 10% interest, that's roughly 416 per month hitting your account. You're the lender. You're the one getting paid. Secondly, is buying notes at a discount. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's say the borrower owes 100,000, but you buy that note you get it for 85,000. When you pay you back in full 100,000, you earn both the interest and the 50,000 in profit. You've just locked in two paydays, monthly income and equity upside. I once bought a small note like that on a modest rental home in the Midwest. The payments weren't huge, about $450 a month. But the total return on investment came out to just over 11%, completely hands off. Meanwhile, a buddy of mine with a rental property, he made about the same, but had to replace a water heater, repaint the kitchen, and deal with a broken lease. Who do you think slept better that year? Now, let's dive into the types of notes. There are two main flavors. Performing notes. These are loans where the borrower is making payments on time. You buy the note, you collect the payments. Simple, passive, and dependable. Then you have non-performing notes. These are loans where the borrower has stopped paying. You can buy those at a deep discount, sometimes 40 or 50 or maybe even 60 cents on the dollar. And you have options. You can negotiate with the borrower to start paying again, restructure the loan, or if all else fails, foreclose and sell the property if it comes back to you. Performing notes are like the blue chip stocks of the note world, steady and low maintenance. Non-performing notes are like fixer-uppers, more work but more upside. Most beginners start with performing notes because they just want the mailbox money. And let me tell you, when those payments hit automatically every month, you start to understand what true passive income feels like. Next up, so where do you find these magical pieces of paper that pay you? There are three main places. First is banks and credit unions. They sometimes sell off loans to free up capital or manage the balance sheet. Second could be note brokers. These are professionals who connect buyers and sellers. They usually get a small commission but can save you tons of time. And the third is online marketplaces. Yes, there are actually platforms where private investors list their notes for sale, like stock markets for debt. I still remember scrolling through one of those marketplaces late at night, sipping coffee thinking, wait, so I can literally buy a loan that's paying someone else every month and just have it pay me instead? That was the light bulb moment. But before you buy though, always check the borrower's payment history, the property value, and the remaining balance. Because you're not buying paper, you're buying a stream of income. But now the question is, how do you evaluate the note? Here's to tell a good note from a bad one. Start with the loan to value ratio, or just called LTV. If the property is worth 100,000 and the borrower owes 70,000, that's a 70% loan to value. Good cushion. If they owe 95,000 on a 100,000 property, that's tight. One hiccup and you're upside down. Next, look at the payment history. You want consistency. People who pay on time and in full. Then check the interest rate and the loan term. A higher rate can mean better returns, but balance it with safety. And finally, make sure the note is serviced by a professional company. They collect the payments, send you the reports, and handle all the compliance and paperwork. Think of them as your property manager, but for loans instead of houses. A good note gives you steady income, strong collateral, and zero drama. Before we wrap this up, let me save you from the most common rookie mistakes I see, and that I've made myself. Mistake number one was chasing high interest only. Someone sees a 13% return and jumps in without checking the property or the borrower. High interest on a bad loan is just as a fast way to lose your money. Mistake number two was skipping the due diligence. Always verify the property value and the payment history yourself. Trust but verify, because once you buy that note, you own the problem if it's not performing. Mistake number three is trying to manage it alone. Use a licensed loan servicer. They collect payments, send notices, handle escrow, and keep you compliant. That's what turns this from a job into truly passive investment. Avoid those three mistakes and you're already ahead of 90% of new investors. So now, how do you actually start? Let me give you 4 simple steps. Number 1 is learn the basics. Understand how notes are created, sold and serviced. There are tons of free training and communities online that explains the process. Step 2 is to start small. Your first note doesn't have to be huge. Many investors start with $10,000 to $20,000 in a performing note to get a feel of the system. Third is partner with a servicing company. They'll handle the payments and the paperwork so you can stay hands-off. And number 4 is build the portfolio. Once you've got your first note paying smoothly, reinvest those payments into more notes. Over time, you'll have multiple borrowers paying you monthly, and that's when things start to snowball. When I hit my 5th note, I realized something powerful. I didn't need hundreds of dollars. I just need consistent payments. And they kept coming in month after month. That's the kind of freedom most investors never find. So that's real estate note investing in a nutshell. You're not flipping properties. You're not chasing tenants. You're stepping into the bank's role, collecting consistent, secured payments. It's one of the few strategies that truly balance risk, return, and time freedom. If you'd like to see some examples of how to find, buy, and manage notes, our next experience journey that will give you a clear roadmap to start earning passive income the smart way is opening up for enrollment very soon. To join the waitlist, the link is right below this video. But also, please take our quick survey, as it will help us to streamline the content in a way that makes the biggest impact for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, please tap that like button. Remember to subscribe, and above all, tell me in the comments what you think. We value and we appreciate your feedback. So, hopefully I see you in the upcoming experience journey. Until then, remember to stay focused and go and live your dream.